Hi, lovelies. Thank you and welcome once again to Abinasia's Recipes. I hope you're doing well by God's grace. In today's video, I'm sharing with you how to make authentic Ghanaian Tuo Zaafi, the best and easy way. You will need white corn flour and cassava flour or konkonte. If you're in abroad, you can find this in any African market or any Afro shop. Now, I'll make sure to leave the detailed measurement in my description. I'll first start off by measuring 2 cups of my white corn flour, okay? And then I'll be adding water to it, about 4 cups of water. And then I'll be whisking until I break up all the lumps or until it is very smooth. For the cassava flour, we'll be sifting this to remove some of the cassava sticks out of it. So I'm using a strainer as you're seeing in the video, and I am sifting this to remove some of the cassava sticks, and there we have it. After sifting my cassava flour, I'll measure 1 cup of white corn flour, and then I will mix it together with the cassava flour. Guys, I recommend you do this. Before sifting my flour, I had a pot of water on that was boiling. So please make sure that you start by boiling your pot of water before mixing and sifting your flour. My pot of water is ready to go. So I'll pour in my corn flour mixture into the boiling water, and then I'll be whisking this until it forms into a porridge. Okay, we are making the porridge. So you want to make sure that you keep whisking until it forms into a porridge or it begins to start boiling. And once it begins to boil, you will cover it and allow it to boil for at least 15 minutes. Okay, you want to make sure that the porridge is very well cooked to stir. And please be checking it from time to time. Once my corn porridge was done cooking, I scooped about half of it out into a bowl to set it on the side. And then I came in with my cassava and corn flour mixture that I sifted earlier on. So I'll be adding this in gradually. And guys, this is where you have to make sure you mix your Tuo Zaafi very well to prevent lumps, okay? So try to mix this as fast as you can. Once everything is well mixed and well combined, we'll go ahead and add in some of the porridge that we scooped out earlier, okay? So you remember we scooped some of the porridge out and we are adding it back into it. And at this point, gradually and easily mix this, okay? Until everything is well combined again. And then we'll be mixing this in circle motion or onto the walls of the pot to break up lumps and also to achieve a very smooth Tuo Zaafi. Guys, this is my favorite. I really love to enjoy this dish. So I take my time to prepare this. I'll go ahead to add more of my corn porridge, and I added just a little bit water to the porridge and then added it to my Tuo Zaafi. And at this point, I'm going to be mixing this onto the walls of the pot to break up lumps and also to achieve a very smooth texture Tuo Zaafi. If today is your first time on this channel, hello there and welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Kindly subscribe so that you can be part of this family. We share delicious and easy recipes on this channel. My returning subscribers, thank you. God bless you. Thanks for always coming back to support. So I mixed this until it was very well smooth and very well cooked. And guys, of course, we are serving this with ayoyo soup and also with delicious Tuo Zaafi stew. And I do have all of this on my channel. I'll try to leave a link of the stew and the okra or the ayoyo soup in my description. Thank you so much for staying with me until this time. And until I come your way next time, please stay safe and stay blessed. Bye, guys.